Like your cell phones can be network, we all form a network. The transmission goes from behind the head called the bindu, and the reception to the point between the eyebrows. That's where you find the Hindu women wearing the boat to block certain things. Now, we are all networked. Now, all the time we are feeding into this network. Accordingly, also we receive things. Depending on what you're feeding in, you receive things. Now, this gossiping, when you do gossip, that is talking behind somebody's back, and backstabbing, then the inner dialogue changes, and accordingly the transmission occurs. Now, when you do gossip, it goes out and it multiplies and comes back to you as problems. So many of your problems you are only creating, and one of the ways in which you create is through gossiping. Gossiping is such a nasty little thing. Now, why do you do it now? You gain nothing from it. You only get pain and suffering. But you think somehow that gossiping is some wonderful thing you have done. You backstabbed somebody, brought down his image, destroyed him, and you feel very happy about it. But you're going to get a big stone on your head. Only wait for some time. Now, if you can see this, the mind is basically a businessman. If it can clearly see it is not gainful, it would not do it. Because you say something gainful is happening, you're doing all those things. But please understand, do this gossiping and you're going to get it back. Now, you stop gossiping for 1 week and see how things are going to change. Everything can be experimented. You will find within a week you start getting good results. The moment you stop gossiping. Gossiping is such a wasteful thing in terms of time, energy, and you bring about such terrible bad karma on your heads and all kinds of problems, because nature does not like that. It does not like gossiping. It's nature's loss. So better flow with nature. Why do you do something which is not gainful at all? You must do whatever is gainful to you and try out the experiment. 1 week is enough. Stop gossiping. No gossiping at all. So say only nice things about people. 1 week. And see what happens. There will be clear shift in your fortunes. And go on gossiping the next week and see what happens. It comes straight on to you. So better stop all gossiping.